Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Begin by going into Devices Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and install completely free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!